Okay, what we have got here is the 5G kill switch kit that you can buy it from eBay, and the setup that I've got here is for the 4 channels filter bar controller. As you can see, the servo direct power cable, this end is connected to the battery, and from this end you've got the splitter cable that goes into channel 4, as you can see here, and you can plug the power cable into this wire splitter, so the receiver, so the power can go to the receiver. And here, because I set up this receiver channel 4 as an on-off switch, which I intended to use on the kill switch itself. So I've also plugged that into this wire split cable. Okay, and this is the quick connect this plug. It goes like that, and let's go to the engine. So the stop switch is actually goes inside the flywheel cover like that, and these two plug, you need to plug it onto the engine, the ignition coil inside the flywheel cover, and this is how it's coming out. Just drill a hole here, and the cable will just come out like that. Okay, so what I've got here is the steering servo and the throttle. The steering servo, plug it into one of the connector here, as you can see. And the other end of this connector, there is a male, which has only one orange wire going into it, and that one I plugged into the channel 1, which is the steering. And for the throttle and the brake, I do the same thing. And it's going to channel number 2. Okay. Let me turn on the transmitter. At the moment you can see the lights flashing, which means there's no radio signal, so you won't be able to start the engine when you see the light flashing like that. So turn it on, the lights should come off. And since I used the 4 channels and on-off switch, and I program it into this push button. If I give it a push, the light come on. Okay, that means you can start your engine. And if I push this button again, to turn off, on, off. And if somehow the radio signal is lost, which I can just say, if I turn off the transmitter, the light is flashing and the engine will, you won't be able to start the engine, or the engine will turn off, will be killed. So let's turn it on again. On, off, on, off. And the steering and the throttle. Alright, I guess. Yeah, this is just a basic setup. Just say you've got another server that needs to be used on your car. Just say you've got the front brake, and it can go to the third channel here, and the server can plug into this extra server output here. Alright, that's it.